My dear friends, today we are going to solve problem of orthographic projection using first angle projection method. We will draw front view from the direction X, top view and left hand side view of the object. Here you can see front view we can see from this side, left hand side view from this side and top view from here. Here length of the object is 100 mm, width is given 60 mm and height is given 40 plus 10 50 mm. Now we are going to draw XY line. Now we can draw 100 mm long line. As you can see here, this distance is 100 mm, length of the object in front view. This much height is 10 mm, height of the base. We can draw this line having length 10 mm. You can see here this length is given 10 mm. This much height we can keep as 10 mm and we can draw vertical line. This much distance is 40 mm. It is also given here in the question, 40 mm distance. Now we can draw line base and this much line we have completed. We have drawn this line having length 100 mm, this line having length 100 mm, this much 10 mm vertical line, 40 mm vertical line we have drawn here. Now we can draw, consider this much dimension, 50 mm dimension. You can see here this dimension 50 mm dimension line, this dimension is 50. Now draw this two vertical line and one horizontal line. Similar way, here we have drawn, you can see these three line, 40 mm height, this much height is 40, this height is also 40 mm. We have drawn this line and this much distance is, this much height is 50. We have drawn this line. Now we can draw this much distance, we can keep as 10 mm distance in top view. Draw this line for top view, 30 mm distance and again 30 mm distance we can keep. 60 mm long line we have drawn here. This much distance we can keep as 10 mm and 10 mm distance, 10, 30 and 10. We have drawn 50 mm long line. At present we have drawn this line having length 100 mm. In top view we have drawn this line here, 100 mm long line. This distance we have kept 10 mm. This distance we have kept 10 mm. Here we have drawn these two line. This line is having this much distance. We have drawn this line here. You can see it in top view as a horizontal line, this line. Now we can draw these two lines. In this way we can complete top view of the, we can complete this portion of the top view. These two lines we have drawn here in top view. Here we have drawn this line, 50 mm long line we can draw here. Now we can draw here, take projection and draw this line. Same is half circle we have drawn, radius 15, considering radius 15. So this portion we have completed here. You can see here this half circle we have drawn here having radius 15 mm. We have drawn here this line. Now we can draw vertical and horizontal center line, center point of the circle we can mark here. Center point we have located. Now we have drawn this having radius 30 mm and inner circle radius is 10 mm, diameter 20 mm, 30 mm radius. Join this line. We have drawn this line in top view. This will show line in top view we have drawn here. Now we draw this circle having diameter 20 mm in top view. Now we are going to draw left hand side view, x1 y1 line. We have drawn this line in top view. In left hand side view we can see here this line in left hand side view. We have drawn here this line having length 60 mm. This line having vertical line having length 50 mm. Now we have drawn these two lines into view. You can see here this line into view. We have drawn here 30 mm long line in left hand side view. Vertical line we can draw here. This line we can see here in left hand side view from this side. Now we can draw this line. In this way we can complete left hand side view of the object. Thank you friends.